Okay, this is Ray Guest with Remax Platinum. That's my buddy Bob down there. There's a little deep pool there we can't get through. I managed to get past it, but I'm going to have to get in it to get back. We are in Phantom Canyon. Bright Angel Creek is just down there. We're not very far up the canyon at all. And there is a little waterfall here I just wanted to shoot some video of. I'm going to zoom in on that waterfall a bit. And I'm just going to sit here and let you enjoy the sound for a minute. And the canyon continues up there. I don't think we can get up there. That would involve some rock climbing that is a little... Going up would be one thing, coming down would be... I broke my leg. So this is as far as we're going. This is Phantom Canyon, and it is the canyon that Phantom Ranch is named after.